may wonder why I'm rolling across the floor. Stick with it, there's method in my madness. Did you see Redwood Class's Literacy Book Cover Challenge? They were amazing, and I was really inspired by them. If you haven't seen them, here's some of them now. Those book covers inspired me to create an art attack!
Did you like my art attack? Did you guess which story it was? That's right, it was Stickman. An art attack is where you make a giant piece of art using all sorts of things that you just have around the house. And it can be any kind of art, but I was inspired by Redwood Class to make a book cover. So, fancy reading the story? It's a good reward after all that effort. Stickman lives in the family tree with his stick lady love and their stick children 3. One day he wakes early and goes for a jog. Stickman, oh Stickman, beware of the dog. A stick, barks the dog. An excellent stick, the right kind of stick for my favourite trick. I'll fetch it and drop it and fetch it, and then I'll drop it and fetch it and drop it again. I'm not a stick. Why can't you see? I'm Stickman. I'm Stickman. I'm Stickman, that's me. And I want to go home to the family tree. A notice says dogs must be kept on the lead. At last the game's over. Stickman is freed. He sets off for home with a hop and a twirl. Stickman, oh Stickman, beware of the girl. A stick, cries the girl with a smile on her face. The right kind of poo stick for winning the race. Has everyone got one? Get ready to throw. 1, 2, 3, into the river they go. I'm not a poo stick. Why can't they see? I'm Stickman. I'm Stickman. I'm Stickman. That's me. and I'm heading away from my family tree. Stickman is floating. He floats on and on. Stickman, oh Stickman, beware of the swan. "A twig," says the swan. "This twig is the best, the right kind of twig to weave into my nest." "I'm not a twig. Why can't they see? I'm Stickman, I'm Stickman, I'm Stickman. That's me. And I long to be back in my family tree." The nest is deserted and Stickman is free. He drifts down the river and sails out to sea. He tosses and turns till the frolicking foam washes him up on a beach far from home. Here comes a dad with a spade in his hand. "Stickman, oh Stickman, beware of the sand." "A mast," yells the dad. "An excellent mast. Hooray, there's a flag on our castle at last." "I'm not a mast for a silly old flag, or a sword for a knight, or a hook for a bag. I'm not a pen, and I'm not a bow. I'm not a hat, or a boomerang. No, I'm Stickman, oh Stickman, beware of the snow." Here comes a boy in a woolly scarf. "An arm for my snowman," he says with a laugh. "I'm not an arm. Can nobody see? I'm Stickman, I'm Stickman, I'm Stickman. That's me. Will I ever get back to my family tree?" Stickman is lonely. Stickman is lost. Stickman is frozen and covered in frost. Stickman is weary. His eyes start to close. He stretches and yawns and lies down for a doze. He can't hear the bells or the sweet singing choir, or a voice saying, "Here's a good stick for the fire." Stickman is lying asleep in the grate. Can anyone wake him before it's too late? He dreams of his kids and his stick lady love, then suddenly wakes. What's that noise up above? Starts as a chuckle, turns to a shout. "Ho, ho, ho, I'm stuck! Get me out!" A stuck man? A stuck man? Who could that be? "Oh, don't worry," says Stickman. "I'll soon set you free." A scratch and a scrape and a flurry of soot, a wiggle, a jiggle, and out pokes a foot. A shove, a nudge, a hop and a jump, and Santa falls into the room with a thump. "Oh, Stickman, you excellent friend. Thanks a million, thanks without end." Stickman helps to deliver the toys to fast asleep girls and fast asleep boys. Faster and faster they fly through the snow till Santa says, "Only one chimney to go." Stick Lady's lonely. The children are sad. Won't feel like Christmas without their stick dad. They toss and they turn in the family bed. But who is that clattering sound up ahead? Someone's tumbling into their house. Is it a bird or a bat or a mouse? Or could it? Yes, could it just possibly be? "I'm Stickman, I'm Stickman, I'm Stickman, that's me. And I'm sticking right here in my family tree." Now, before we go, one more very important job to do, and that is to wish Rowan in Maple class and Beth in Willow class a very happy birthday. Are you ready to join in with me? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rowan and Beth. Happy birthday to you. Hope you guys have a great day. Okay, so my challenge to you, Braywick Court School, is to make yourself an art attack and send it in to us. We can't wait to see them. Have a great day. Bye.